Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and foundational Arduino project, building a fully functional traffic light system. If you're just getting into Arduino or embedded systems, this is a great way to get familiar with digital outputs, timing, function, and circuit design basics. Here is what you'll need for this project. Arduino Uno board, jumper wires, 12 volts power source, LED, 22 ohm resistors, breadboard, USB cable. Let's wire it up. Each LED has two legs. The long one is the anode, or the positive, and the short one is the cathode, or the negative. Make sure to hook up the breadboard ground rail to the Arduino's ground pin. That completes the circuit. We'll connect the anode of each LED to a digital pin on the Arduino through a resistor to prevent too much current from frying the LEDs, and connect the cathode to ground. So, green LED will go to pin 11, yellow LED will go to pin 12, and red LED will go to pin 13. Now, let's write the code that controls our signal logic. We'll define each LED pin, set them as outputs, and use digital write to toggle them with delays in between. These are global variables storing our pin numbers. This makes the code cleaner and easier to update if you change pins later. The setup function runs once on boot. We use pin mode to tell the microcontroller we're using those pins to send voltage, not to read input. That's what output means. Inside the loop function, which runs forever, we turn each LED on using digital write pin high, keep it on using delay in milliseconds, and then turn it off. So, it's green for 5 seconds, yellow for 2 seconds, and red for 5 seconds. Then the loop repeats, just like a real signal controller. And that's it. Green, yellow, red. All controlled just a few lines of code. You've basically just built a basic state machine using delay for timing, something you'll see in more advanced automation systems. You just build your first Arduino powered traffic light. This might look simple, but it's actually the foundation of a ton of real-world tech, like smart signals, timers, and robotics. If you learned something new, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss on what's next. Hit that bell so you're first in the line for the next build. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments, I read them all. Catch you in the next one. Peace.